So we want to, just clear out some misconceptions about drugs and alcohol. Even when you take medication in an appropriate way, you become very abusive. For example, you are experiencing extreme, excruciating pain, and the doctor prescribes 2 tablets 3 times a day. When you think that maybe let me take 4, you're actually killing your system. And that's a form of abuse in its own right. We'll look at the definitions of around some of these issues. So we talked about drugs being a way of coping, drugs being a way of recreation, drugs being part of our cultural activities. Someone may even be so, if you want to stretch it, you even find we have those who subscribe to the Christian faith. We have communion, where some take wine, which was the traditional, which you look at the history, Jesus himself, brought wine. But you find out when you read the book of Corinthians, for the Bible readers in the room, that Paul had issues with the Corinthians because they started abusing alcohol in the house of God, until he had to say, this is not the place to be doing this. You don't come here to get drunk. So even in church, even around, so it's very permeating, this issue of drug and alcohol, because there is a temporary change or lapse in terms of your hormonal and neurological functioning that people easily become addicted to. And we're going to talk about what addiction actually is, as a form of illness, as a form of maladaptation.